Hi, I'm Joyce the Energy Lady. I have another cool story about how to use energy work. And this actually was one of my students who came to my class, and the day after she took the class, she was moving some of her lawn furniture around on her back porch, and it was heavy furniture. She was doing it on her own, and somehow she pushed this metal furniture and it right up against her shin, and all the way down the front of her shin. She said it just took the skin off and just immediately started swelling and bruising. And she said, well, I just learned this cool thing. I'm going to try this. And so she started cleaning the energy off of that shin that she skinned up and bruised. And she said she immediately could start seeing the swelling go down. And she said the next day she figured it would be really bruised, but she said it wasn't. She said she barely had a bruise and a scab where the skin came off, and that was it. So how do I use energy work? With injuries, if I can get an injury right after it takes place, clean up the energy around that, then your body can heal it. That's the valuable tool about energy work. Cleaning up the energy around an injury, then the body can do what it's here to do, and that is heal itself. So that's a cool way, of one of the many ways that I use energy work, and also those who've graduated from my class, many of them. Another one came right home from class. Her husband had had knee surgery, started cleaning up the energy on his knee. He started feeling better. So many ways to use it in that arena.